Okay, good. All right.
It's almost time.
Yeah, we got 6 minutes.
Oh, we got 6 minutes.
Yeah. Oh, it's a nice day. Oh my gosh, this could have been so awful.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, I bet you have.
We've been here through nights.
Yeah. Last year.
Let's not dwell on that.
No. Last year. This
Wow,
summer,
that can go in. Good grief. I did not. How, is that? Oh my God, I can go further.
Actually, it
What?
says, now, when this compound is good.
I'm so glad I got this camera.
It's
I
really
wore my tornado warning shirt too. I'm going back. Back to the future. That's right.
No, he has Parkinson's disease.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My mom has it, and he.
Yeah. He's done very well. They've raised millions and millions and millions of dollars for research.
Yeah. Yeah.
Really?
Michael J. Fox
And
and
he's
his wife.
lasted, what, near 40 years.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
He shakes a lot,
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
but yeah,
You're,
he's been a trooper for us.
Yeah, he sure has.
Yeah.
He's done good.
Now the ambulances up there, they always have either a city vehicle or an ambulance
Oh, police car.
to observe. They don't know.
Right. Make sure it's working. Right.
Yeah.
One year they didn't send one, and that year it didn't work.
So how many years you guys been coming up here and listening to this right here? How many years,
I
dude?
suppose 20.
Oh my.
Has it been that
As
long?
soon as we learned about
Cool.
it, we've been here 22 years. But it's,
Roger
Yeah.
telling me it's been a long time.
it's been it's big as a drink.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, not wrong.
Or he says, oh, it's an ordeal. He said, you guys put it on Facebook or whatever.
Oh, yeah.
She says, they
Yeah,
look
on
for it.
YouTube,
They look for it. Yeah, Dad says, I just can't go. He says, my ears, my hearing, even if I turn the hearing aids off.
Really?
Yeah.
Well,
He's right.
tornado doesn't come.
That's right. Well, Mom will do that. If he's home wherever the sirens are, he's good there. But to be this close to it,
Yeah.
he says, I can't do it.
Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I'll tell you.
His head's not as healthy as ours.
Who said who said we're healthy?
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
I'm just saying, you can hear it okay.
That's
It doesn't.
healthy.
True.
I can plug my ears and do whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is loud. You know, this is like a football stadium.
Cool. Does this turn?
One of those.
Yeah.
This one does, yeah.
High school.
It doesn't do like a full round thing. It goes here. It's like a 359 degrees.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We better go in front of the car because we don't want to be inhibited. Ruben?
Going to be starting here soon. It's 3-ish minutes.
Get out in the weather. She says, I think I'll be able to hear it.
Yeah.
If she can't hear it, there's something wrong. Hopefully the sound is going okay. Have the microphone right here. One last quick look at the lovely Siren. Very nice Siren there. Going down to the control box, which is right there. Here we go.
That's of the emergency warning. Now watch your ears.
Come on, baby.
You can do it, baby, for how long?
There it is, turning.
Right at you.
Here we go.
Right at you.
Yeah, boy.
Hello?
This is a test. This is a test of the emergency warning system.
System.
This is only a test.
I took some Dunkin' Donuts, watch out!
It works.
Yeah.
It works.
Now, have no fears, Mom. What's up?
Yeah. Oh, here we go.
Uh-oh.
Uh.
What's that? Why was it first too?
Oh, yeah.
Got some snow coming. Now it's pointing the south direction.
This is a test. This is a test of the emergency warning system. This is only a test.
As per mentioned before, this is bigger than Christmas.
One more time.
Where'd mom go? Here. Oh, that's right. Casa de Rio has his new awning underneath. Oh.
A test. This is a test of the emergency warning system. This is only a test.
Now here it comes.
Here's mother.
Hello, an exciting day for the Russell household.
Yep.
A yearly tradition.
Yep. I don't think they had it 2 years ago.
Yeah, there was one. Yeah, sometimes because of bad weather, they won't have it.
Yeah.
And then I don't know if they had it during COVID.
I don't remember. It's been a while. Oh, it's back to the other position. I don't remember which one this is, but it's something. Oh, I love how far this camera can zoom in. That was
No, that's our friend.
that was Roger. Oh, Roger. Sorry about that. Y'all got out of frame. My bad. There we go. Dang, that is loud. There's a 359-degree turn, because as you see, makes the full rotation and then turns back. For those of you watching this, probably already know, but gotta let you know somehow. That's not soft. One more time around. Imagine what it's like for people who didn't hear the information beforehand and hearing this like and waking up. What the? Man, how long does this go for? I forgot how long this goes for.
About to say tornado warning. There it goes.
There we go.
Say tornado warning.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can still hear it coming from the other one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
One there.
Travels at 750 miles an
Tornado
hour.
warning.
750 miles an hour. It is rotated back to its original position. Here we go.
Tornado warning.
Listen. Come on. Come on, say tornado warning. No, it wasn't saying tornado.
Well, I know that, but what do they know?
This is
Here we go.
a test. This is a test of the emergency warning system. This is only tornado
Tornado. Okay, we need to work on this now.
Yeah.
This is why we practice. Yeah. Yeah, that wasn't right.
No.
Interesting.
I remember.
This has never happened before.
That went off, and so did he.
This is a
Okay,
test.
so there. That's weird.
Tornado warning. A tornado warning has been issued for this area. Tornado warning.
Stood up and said, well, you know, something about you stood up and said, like, hey, yeah.
This is a test. Tornado warning. A tornado warning has been issued for this area.
This is strange.
Tornado
Oh, he
warning.
has his hand on there. Okay. He's coming on back now. That is strange. Wait, taking a break.
This is a test.
Whoa.
This is a test of the emergency warning system. This is only a test.
He says it's acting up.
Why is the test? Why is the test?
This is very strange. Well,
Now it's back where it was originally.
Yeah.
So that should be it now.
I prayed over it. Well, it does not give
good.
an A+.
Said he prayed over it.
That's
Stumbled
true.
a couple times. I'm gonna say
Yeah,
I'm
there
gonna give
was
it
a
like a B
stumble.
minus.
normally it's north, east, southwest, and back around, and of course back to north. But the southeast direction it just did, I've never seen it do that before.
Huh.